Alright, in this geek tip I want to show you how to use the disk cleanup utility inside of Windows 7, and I want to show you a couple of different ways to run it and a couple of different ways to get different options, and also show you how to run it as a scheduled task. So let's start out first and foremost. Let's just go start it up the easiest way possible. We can just go to the start button, go to the search dialog box, type in disk, click on disk cleanup. It'll present us with a dialog box here asking us which drive we want to clean up. You'll notice that the C drive actually has a Windows logo on it, so this is the one that has the operating system on it, and there'll be a few more options that we have to select on that drive. So let's go ahead and bring it up, and you'll notice that we have downloaded program files, temporary internet files, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails. We also can clean up the system files. We have to reselect the drive again. This time it's going to give us a couple extra options, one of them being service pack files. We can actually service pack backup files, we can erase those, and we also have the ability to hit programs, take out programs and features, and system restore and shadow copies. So that's one way, the easiest way to run it. Second place you'll find it is over here in all programs. Go up to accessories, come down to system tools, and disk cleanup. You're presented with the exact same dialog box. There's also a third way to get it, and that's just go over here, open up Windows Explorer, right click on the drive, go to properties, and click on disk cleanup. But like I told you, there are other ways to get more options out of the disk utility cleanup utility. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We're actually going to get more options, and we're going to schedule it as a task. So let's go over here to the start button. In the search dialog box, let's type in CMD. This is for the command prompt. So find cmgr.exe. We're going to right click on it. We're going to run as administrator. This is really important because we need to write to the registry. That's where we're going to save some of these settings. So to show you real quick the utility itself, its name is cleanmgr. So we just type in cleanmgr, hit enter. We're presented with the exact same dialog box of which drive do we want to select. We can actually tell Clean Manager which drive we want just by putting in a D switch and selecting the drive itself. Now it actually is going to go over to the C drive and give us the exact same dialog box as we've seen previously. So, but I told you we can actually set some settings and get more settings too. So we will actually get those when we do a setting on it. We have ability of setting in the registry options, and Clean Manager will actually retain over 65,000, 65,556, something like that. So there's over 65,000 different settings you can set for this, or setups. So we're going to use the switch SAGESET, Sage Set, and we're going to use number 1, first one with the hay. So let's run it this time and see what we get. Now we get a whole bunch of extra ones: dump files, check disk files, Windows installations, setup log files, memory files, error reporting files, upgrade logs. Man, you get it all here now. So these all look like a good set to clean up on a once a week basis. So let's go ahead and we'll do that. Now let me show you how we run it. We're going to just do Sage Run, and we want to do number 1. Now it's going to run with all those predefined settings that we just set. That's really sweet. But now I told you we're going to actually take those settings and we're going to go put it into Task Scheduler. So let's go ahead and we'll get rid of that. Let's go back over here to the Start button. Let's go to the Search dialog box and let's look for Task Scheduler. And there it is. So we'll bring up Task Scheduler. Let's go into Action. Create basic task. We're going to call this one Weekly Disk Cleanup. How about that? That sounds good. Let's go ahead and copy that. Let's throw it into the description. And we're going to do it weekly, of course. Oh, I like to do things at midnight. I leave my system on and it does all sorts of maintenance at night. And we'll have it do it every Monday night. And we're going to start a program. Now, I'm going to go browse for that program. Just so happens we're going to open right up into the Windows System 32 directory where we're going to find the Clean Manager program. Right there. We'll select it. Now, this is where we get our active switch that we just put in the Sage run and Sage set, Sage run, yeah. So let's go ahead, just put in Sage run 1. We'll finish. Now, let's go over to the library. There it is. Weekly Disk Cleanup. Let's run it. And there we go. We're running the disk cleanup utility with predefined settings unattended. And I think that's quite unique, and once you set it you can forget it and pretty much keep your hard drive clean without even thinking about it. So again, hopefully you'll find this geek tip and all the others over on Geeks in Phoenix handy. And again, for more geek tips, go on over to geeksinphoenix.com. All right, have a great day.